gain. Some optimistic views coming in there. But let's move on. This is our special segment, Quarter Se Quarter Tak. Abhishek is here today to take us through expectations from the NBFC sector this quarter. Abhishek, what are you expecting?
Sonia, it's expected to be a strong quarter for the NBFC in Q3FY23. So this is on the back of the fact that disbursements will remain high and recoveries will also remain strong, despite the fact that, in a rising interest rate scenario, it could temper their net interest margin, given the fact that cost of funds would have risen faster. So NBFCs may have probably the best Q3, in last few years that you may expect in Q3FY23 results. Strong across segments, housing or vehicles or consumer durables will support disbursements this time around. So for HFCs, that is housing finance companies, growth to be in mid to high teens, net interest margin to remain stable. CV finance growth to be in mid teens due to strong disbursements this time around. Gold finance, YOY may not be a good comparative figure. However, sequentially, that is quarter on quarter, it's expected to be a good quarter this time with sharp improvement in net interest margin. Also, for consumer finance, the growth to be better due to improvement that you are seeing in the macro trends, stable margins and no asset quality woes. So we have some of the estimates from Kotak Securities. For SDFC Limited, they expect NII growth of 12% YOY and 3% sequentially. They are expecting profit growth of 19% YOY and a decline of 19% sequentially. For Bajaj Finance, they are expecting NII growth of 23% YOY and about 5% sequentially, while PAT is expected to grow at 31% YOY and flat sequentially. For Cholamandalam, they are expecting 11% growth in NII on a YOY basis and 2% sequentially. PAT growth is expected to be a 13% YOY and about 5% sequentially. For Muthoot Finance, YOY, they may see a decline in NII by 13%. However, sequentially, it's expected to be up 5% and PAT is expected to decline 12% YOY, but it can increase by 4% on a sequential basis. Back to you.
All right,